Why you wanna go and do that why you wanna yeah. Yeah.
Cameras never do it justice.
Looking in your eyes, I can. Feelings can't subside these. Live like 40 minutes.
It is still,
that
too.
6 drive is crazy. You used to jack the other side.
Hello. This is cool.
Good morning, guys.
Pretty cool.
Good morning.
Hi.
Vlogging?
Yes,
Oh, wow. Is your, do you have a channel?
I do.
Okay. Nice.
Oh, it's nice because it's indoors. It's warm in here.
We're on our cruise in Seward.
Yeah, this is so beautiful.
Orcas, here we come.
Orcas. All wildlife, here we come. You better watch out.
That's what I meant. They look so cute.
That's the town of Seward over there.
There's a road right along the edge of the water. It goes all the way down to Village Home Point.
It's free. It is freezing.
But it's worth it.
It's so worth it. It's so beautiful out here. Or let's go meet him. Or are they coming up here? Ooh, gloves! Gloves! Oh my god! Thank you so much. I know the wind is crazy right now.
Oh, it's not long in the bag. Yes, it is. It's kind of. We have Alaskan gloves.
They're actually really nice too. Look at the little Alaska. So this is really nice.
Nice.
And we're the only ones up here right now. This is so dope. It feels like exclusive. Let's go outside. I want to show you guys this view. Whoa. God, this pond poncho is really just ruining. Oh my god. Yeah. The poncho is killing the vibe. I'm really about to just take it off. I'd rather just take it off because it's all just, it's getting on my nerves, it's in my ear, it's loud. I'm just trying to get the view.
Within those bounds to do your explorations, but I'm going to quit talking. We'll get tied up. When we get ready to get back on the vessel, I'm going to sound a series of blasts about 10 minutes before we depart. I'll sound one whistle, 5 minutes till, 2 whistles, and then by the time I sound 3 whistles, it's going to be time for us to get on with our exploration of Resurrection Day today. So if you guys could help me out with that, it'd be great.
You out of here.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Those are all good.
They have the lines inside of the packing.
I got stuff in here.
Oh, there's a lunch buffet, which is really nice. Ooh, girl, we about to grub. Why did I even buy food before this? That looks good. Marshmallows are melting.
I want to see what they were collecting over there.
Yeah, you want to go over there?
The rock? Yeah. Look.
What?
Somebody made a person.
That's pretty cute.
So many cool rocks. It will suck you in.
This would be such a nice seat.
Stacking the rocks.
I know, people really do that though, and I kind of want to do it. I think stacking the rocks lets somebody know that you were here without really disturbing what's going on. I'm gonna stack a little tripod for the camera. I want it to be nice and sturdy. A snail! Okay, I'm gonna leave this one where it was at. It's so slippery. Whoa, what's this? Oh my gosh. It's seaweed? It looks like...
What the fuck? Chicken feet.
It does look like chicken feet or like crab claws or something. Is it gummy? Squeeze it. Ew, is there something in there?
It is gummy.
Imagine it jumps. Look at this one. Ew.
In Alaska, 2024.
The big one slap, literally.
What time is it? 1:33.
So you want to eat something, me and you?
Oh look, I almost hit the boat.
Oh, he did like 10.
Whoa, what is that, a jellyfish?
It was.
Oh, yeah, it was.
11 o'clock on the top of that spruce tree, and they'd be able to pick him out up there.
You can barely see him, but he's
We
there.
are just moving through.
There's so many bald eagles out here in Seward. Story time, when I was on deployment, we were having an all hands call on the flight deck, and the captain was telling us whatever he was telling us, and a freaking eagle came and it messed up one of our satellites on this ship. It actually broke it. Being here in Alaska, seeing it is just reminding me of that. Yeah, it's really high up too. Oh, the birds, wow.
There's a peregrine. Really?
Look at this.
Boat just kind of,
There's so many birds.
anybody interested in birds and other wildlife? Larger gulls with gray wings. Those are known as glaucous winged gulls.
We're finally off the cruise. That shit took like 5 hours. And honestly, we started to get irritable, but towards the end, we saw more animals. And me personally, I just have a strong memory of being out here 5 years ago. And it was so much fun. So we kind of went past the town of Seward. We went past the town and I saw the waterfall that I took a picture at 5 years ago. And I was so hyped. I pulled out the picture, showed Jeremiah before we passed the waterfall. I didn't get to recreate it, but it was just nice enough just to see it. And now we have a 3-hour drive back to Anchorage. Look how low the clouds are. This is never gonna get old. .360 mountain views. It's really pretty. We're on our way back. Everybody's slumped.
Literally.
Staring out the window.
Time is currently right before 9:30. It's 9:28 p.m. and the sun is out crazy bright out here. Like, it doesn't plan on setting anytime soon. We had a pretty long day today with the road trip. I was so glad that we ended up going to Seward. I don't know if it's Seward or Seward. When I was in the Navy, we stopped here and I just had a blast. I knew we were going on a boat ride, but I had no clue this entire time that it was gonna be in Seward. I thought it was gonna be, like, I didn't know where it was gonna be actually. I was just down for anything. So when he told me where it was at, I was like, say a freaking word. I had plans on going to this one bar where I left $1 to see if it was still there. But after the boat ride, we were just so exhausted and we knew we had to drive like 2 hours to come back to Anchorage. I ended up taking a shower and I folded all my clothes and put them away because I washed them last night. I'm just enjoying the sun a little bit more before I go inside. I'm just still so amazed. Like, every night I get to, like, I don't know, watch the sun before I go to bed. Is that crazy? And then you just close the blackout curtains and it's like, go to sleep now. It is a little wild, but I'm really enjoying it. The backyard here is really cute. There's a fire pit. Jeremiah was talking about maybe lighting it tonight. Backyard's cute. You can grill out here. We didn't end up doing groceries because yesterday was a full day with the shooting and the hiking, and then today was a full day with the road trip and the boat ride. Tomorrow we don't really have anything planned, like, for sure, but we know we want to rent bikes and we know we want a bike ride. But I think maybe like we give everybody's legs a rest for a second because we're pretty exhausted. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow, but so far, day 1 and 2 have been so fun. I couldn't have asked for anything better thus far on this Alaska trip. Honestly, I love it here. I can't wait to come back. This was so fun to do. It was so fun to record. It was so fun to vlog, and I'm really glad to share it.